Hey Denise, you know where Tisha went?
Her crew were joking about hitting the Bean Cup for some decent coffee. Could try around there.
Bean cup. Okay, thanks.
Tell him the rigs are back.
Bean cup. Should be easy enough to find. Nada. It must be close.
This whole thing is shady as fuck. I'm telling you, someone in the CDC is still managing to move data around.
How can you tell?
I've had nothing else to do for days. Trust me.
Hi. I'm supposed to take you back. Your dad's losing his mind.
Must be, to send his VIP.
Huh. Well, if I'm this VIP, how come I'm still up to my ass in zombies instead of being flown out of here? Can I trust your dad?
Why'd you say that?
I think he's hiding stuff from me.
Yeah, join the club.
You too? Listen, this crazy woman is following me around. She almost kills me, then shows up with your dad talking about some deal they made. Name's Conrad. Do you know her?
Auntie Lola? Why would she be here?
I was in the sewers. Zombies everywhere, and she just appears like everything's cool.
That's pretty crazy, even for her.
I need to find out what she wants with me. Just gotta take you back first.
Not happening.
If I bring you back, I get answers. Your dad promised.
Okay. God, hold up. Look, we both want to know what's going on with Dad, right? If I give you a direct line to Lola, can you give me more time to investigate?
You're not going to find out much from here.
Look, there's a data blackout, right? No internet, no nothing. But our resident hacker, Ava, has found data packets routing between the Serling, CDC HQ, and the Randgate building. It might clue us up on what Dad's mixed up in.
No shit. Okay. But with the blackout, how do I contact Conrad?
I got a code phrase. Look, you go to an OSK store and say 12 Sambuca Karaoke Queens to the OS.
OSK store? Oh crap, she's that Conrad?
Yeah, and if she's involved, it's something wild.
Okay, Tisha. Let's team up. Whatever we find, we share, yeah?
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. Cool. Welcome to the Mushroom Club. Hey!
Lola Conrad. Half the world buys OSK tech. She's like the richest woman ever. What does she want with me? The OSK store. Even now, I still want this stuff. 12 Sambuca Karaoke Queens. Got it. Crap. Servers need a reboot. Server room needs a pass. Because nothing can ever be simple. Henry would have a pass. Better see if he's zombieing around in the alley. Henry? Borrow your pass? Now for the servers. Right. How do I do this? Power's on. I'll go into IT when I'm done with athletics. Now for the passphrase. Okay. Screens are back on. Let's go. Hi there. 12 Sambuca Karaoke Queens.
Eschaton. Noun. Theological. The end of the world. The end times. The final event in the divine plan. From the Greek root meaning last.
Kind of weird. I'm trying to contact Lola Conrad. It's an emergency.
Hey, I'm Dr. Reed.
but you can call me Ruben.
Noah, they told me there's something in my blood that...
Yeah, shh. Let's keep your specialness just between us for now, okay?
Okay, sure. But it's about a cure?
If our preliminary results are right, then you have a miracle in your blood. Now that we've found you, humanity stands a chance.
Cool. So, what happens to me? You just take some blood, or...?
We need to get you to our lab on Ocean Avenue. We have the equipment there, and answers to all your questions, I promise.
Okay, you're the doctor.
There was another immune survivor? Why didn't Reed tell me? What happened to them?
Zephron, it didn't work. The levels spiked again. Fried the whole rig.
Nah, not ideal. And our friend Noah?
We need a new candidate.
We haven't found anyone else.
There has to be someone! You know what's at stake! Keep looking!
I'm the new candidate. But candidate for what? I need to find this lab. A text? But there's still no signal.
Tisha and Ava gone and check out that lane in the data transmission. Show off. We should be out there.
This is the place. Tisha, I'm at the RAN gate too. Can you open loading bay 7 from the control center?
Sure can. So the lab's in the building. I'm on my way.
Okay, girlfriend. Race ya. CDC guys. What are you hiding, Dr. Reed? Whoa. This does not disappoint. A blood sampler, like at the CDC dome.
The code for this blood drive is catabasis. K-A-T-A-B-A-S-I-S. Enjoy!
Another blood drive, just like on the pier. That must be Noah. Their first candidate. Whatever they're doing zombified him. Come on then, Frankenstein. Let's see what you got. Epic fail. What were you thinking anyway, Ames? That this corpse was gonna wake up and tell you what's really going on here? Oh. My bad. You do want to tell me? Charades, huh? Okay, falling over. Drunk? Oh, it's zombie, isn't it? Got the rules. Well, it's not my fault you can't act. Oh, fuck. What have I done?
I'm here. Check the blood drive. Goodness, Tisha. All that Krav Maga paid off. Come on. I know you're in. Hello again.
What the fuck is happening to me?
Kind of freaky, huh? You hit rock bottom. Bounced hard. You're gonna feel that one for a while.
Living for the drama, I see. Lola, we got others to cover.
I know. But rebirth is never easy. We all needed help through this one. We are rare. Precious.
What do you mean? What are we?
We are. Well, Reuben calls us Newman. We are the endpoint. Humanity distilled. I'm sorry. I had to push you hard. There is some cataclysm level shit coming down the line. It won't wait. And it's not kind. Only Newman, like us, can carry humanity through it.
The plague. You're working with Reuben to make a cure.
There is no plague. Reuben, he was a good man once, but now he is blinded by desperation. He's not making a cure.
What?
He's not making a cure because he can't. No one can. Humans. The autophage. Newman. It's an immense life cycle. A survival mechanism spanning countless eons. And we are the Omega point.
Get out of my head, okay? I'm not a part of this. I'm not.
Well, you are in deep denial. And you've had my 2 cents, so go and ask Reuben his. But whatever conclusion you come to, remember,